Let me see you swim, Amanda.
Mommy's gonna take a video of you swimming. Oh, is it on?
Yeah.
Oh. 1. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go. Yay!
Yay!
Hands in the air. You wanna swim back? What is that? Hello, beautiful. You wanna show me how we do an office chair? Ready? Okay, ready? We're gonna splash. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good job.
Yay!
Now
Swim to me. Kick, 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 kick. Good girl.